Today we're going to be looking at the SSD from Seagate. Seagate, a brand well known for their hard drives, and now entering the market with their SSDs. So let's take a quick look at what's inside the box. Oh, got that upside down. There's the little SSD in there. Interesting packaging. It has the cables on the side neatly tucked away. So one being USB Type-C at both ends, and the other one being a traditional large size USB to USB Type-C. So pretty good with the cables there. The actual drive itself, as you can see, very thin, very slick, great to fit in the pocket, and being an SSD, it should be really fast. So we will put this through its paces in the full review.